It's Snowball Falls!
And Avalanche!
And today I'm going to be making a custom of our cat. I already have an LPS that looks exactly like my dog, and I wanted to make one of my cat. So let's get into the video! I just wanted to show you that this is the LPS that I have that looks like my dog, and here is my dog.
He's very...
So now I'm gonna make my cat. Here's my cat. She's lying down. You can't tell right now, but she has two different colored eyes, and I'm gonna try to recreate that in the custom. And as you can see, I did a little mock-up. It's not a very good drawing. I'm actually good at drawing, but you cannot tell from this because the head looks really tall and stuff. But it's always good to draw a little mock-up, even if you know exactly what your cat or whatever you're recreating looks like. It's good to see how the features of whatever your inspiration is can translate onto the mold of an LPS, which looks different than a real cat, obviously. So this is the one I will be using. I have two of these, so I'm going to be using this one. Unfortunately, she is a real LPS, and I don't really want to ruin a real LPS, but I don't have any good fake LPS, so I'm going to be using this one. So you can see all the supplies I have. I have all my paintbrushes and some white paint that I will use as base if this white is not the exact shade I want. And then I have a whole bunch of colors here. And I have my gloss finish Mod Podge and my matte Mod Podge. And I have some acetone to remove the excess paint that I don't want. And tissue paper and a Q-tip. A cotton swab. I'm going to leave this eye here. Then I'm going to remove this eye probably. Because it already looks exactly the way I want it to look. So I'm just going to take off this eye and do that. So I finished the first at the top coat, and it's looking okay. I'm just gonna do maybe a few more layers, and I decided to leave the blue underneath so I can find exactly where to do the green part so that they're identical. I mean, symmetrical. Well, actually not symmetrical because the eye shines are supposed to be different. But here's where we're at so far. Now painted the eye green, and then I'm going to add the lighter green, and then the black and the white dots, and then the eyelash. The light green by mixing these colors together. Added the lighter part of the eye, and the black part, and the shine in the eyes, and then I'm going to add the eyelashes, and then I'm going to finish painting this, add a few more coats of white paint because it's not, you can still see underneath, and it's not perfect, but almost done. Painted on the nose and the ears and the eyelashes, and I did one more coat. I think once it dries, I'll check to see if the paint is opaque enough, and then I will add the shiny Mod Podge for the eyes and the matte Mod Podge for the body. That is what it's looking like. Now I have the Mod Podge on the LPS. I did the matte coat for the fur and the body and everything, and the eyes are gloss finish. It's not dried yet, as you can tell. That's why this is still shiny, because it's still wet. But I have a quick tip, is that when you're making customs, I don't know if you want to have a custom that has like eyes that are like maybe a blind character or someone who has like glazed over eyes, if you know what I mean. You can add like a little bit of white paint to the Mod Podge that you'll use, and you can make it look kind of foggy, like foggy eyes, I guess. If you're going for that look, that's just how to accomplish that. So that's it, this LPS is done. I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely dry. Okay guys, she's dry, and I put this accessory that I made on, and I also have this dress that matches that I made at the LPS event that I went to last year. It looks really weird on a cat. It was not made for a cat. It was made for my character, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Wait, actually, not bye. I'm gonna do a little spin around. It's not perfect, but this is my first custom ever. I mean, LPS custom. I'm painted before, I just not on an LPS. So this is basically my first custom. This is what it looks like without the hair accessory. Just stuck. So this is the full custom. And I actually, the matte coat is basically done drying. Like it's tacky to the touch though, so it's not completely dry, but it's dry enough for me to touch without getting it on my fingers and ruining the paint job. I also put a little bit of the shiny Mod Podge on the tip of the nose, and of course on the eyes, but unfortunately when I was putting the Mod Podge on top, it did kind of mess up the eyeliner that I did. But this custom is now finished. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.